Have you ever wondered if it's possible to manifest your desires overnight? It may seem too good to be true, but let me tell you, it can happen. There are countless stories of people who have manifested their wishes in the blink of an eye, waking up to see their dreams fulfilled. Now, you may have come across various videos and articles online claiming to have the secret formula for overnight manifestation. But here's the truth, my friends. What works for one person may not work for another. We are all unique beings with different energies and paths. To discover the right trick for you, be open to trying different techniques. Explore the vast array of manifestation methods available and give each one a fair chance. Observe the progress and changes in your life for a certain period. If you begin to see signs that your manifestations are coming true, that's a clear indication that you're on the right path. I also want to share that I have created a video dedicated to the signs you should look out for to understand if your manifestations are close. If you haven't watched it yet, I highly recommend giving it a view. It will provide valuable insights and guidance on your manifestation journey. Remember, my friends, manifestation is a personal and unique process. Embrace the exploration, discover what resonates with you, and trust your intuition. When you find the right techniques that align with your energy, the possibilities are limitless. So let's dive into this exciting journey together. Open your mind, open your heart, and let the magic of manifestation unfold in your life. But before that, a small request. If you're new to our channel, we kindly ask you to consider hitting the like button and subscribing. All right, let's get started. Neville Goddard's one-night manifestation technique is believed to be a powerful method for manifesting your deepest desires overnight. It is a technique that can be applied to any desire, regardless of its nature. To begin, find a peaceful and comfortable place to either sit or lie down. This will allow you to fully focus on the manifestation process without distractions. Make sure you're in a space where you can truly relax and feel at ease. Next, the key is to remain focused on your breathing. Take slow, deep breaths, and as you exhale, gently release any thoughts that arise. By doing so, you create a mental space free from clutter and resistance. Deep breathing serves as more than just a relaxation technique. It helps shift your mindset and aligns your energy with the manifestation process. It brings you into the present moment and helps you to tap into the power of your thoughts and intentions. It's important to note that individual experiences may vary and results may not always be immediate. However, by consistently practicing this technique and maintaining a positive mindset, you harness the power of your thoughts and intentions to create the reality you desire. Imagine that you want to start your own successful business. Take some dedicated time to focus on this desired outcome and embrace the details of what it would look and feel like if it already happened. Picture yourself walking into your office, meeting your team, seeing satisfied customers, and experiencing the financial abundance that comes with it. To make this visualization more vivid, engage all of your senses and let the emotions fill your heart with happiness and satisfaction. Let's say you desire to travel to a beautiful tropical island. Close your eyes and imagine the warm sun kissing your skin. Feel the soft sand between your toes. Hear the soothing sound of waves crashing on the shore and smell the fresh ocean breeze. Immerse yourself in the scene and let the emotions of pure joy and contentment fill your heart. Next, deepen your connection to these desired outcomes by also focusing on the feelings that accompany them, such as joy, accomplishment, pride, etc. For instance, if your goal is to complete a marathon, visualize crossing the finish line with a huge smile on your face, accompanied by an overwhelming sense of joy and accomplishment. Feel the pride that comes from achieving such a challenging feat. By focusing on these positive emotions, you strengthen your connection to the desired outcome, and it becomes easier to manifest it into reality. Let me share with you the story of Emily, who had a dream of becoming a successful author. Emily visualized herself as a published author, feeling the joy and excitement that came with it. She immersed herself in positive emotions and believed that her dream was already a reality. Acknowledging doubts and worries is natural when manifesting our desires. Let's go back to Emily's story. Along her journey, she faced moments of self-doubt and fear of rejection. Instead of letting these doubts consume her, Emily gently set them aside. She reminded herself of her passion for writing and the positive feedback she had received on her work. Through meditation and positive affirmations, Emily cultivated a mindset focused on her desired outcome and gently released any lingering doubts. Repetition and affirmation are powerful tools that strengthen the connection between your desires and your subconscious mind. Let me introduce you to Jake, who wanted to manifest financial abundance. Jake consistently affirms statements like, "I am worthy of financial abundance," and "I attract wealth into my life." Over time, Jake noticed a shift in his mindset. He felt a stronger connection to his desires and became more open to opportunities, eventually leading to significant financial growth. Writing down affirmations is another powerful technique to anchor focus and commitment. Sarah, a dedicated runner, used this method to manifest her goal of completing a marathon. Sarah wrote affirmations such as, "I am strong and capable of running a marathon, and I am committed to my training." Through consistent repetition and affirmations, Sarah anchored her focus and commitment to her marathon goal. She accomplished her dream and crossed the finish line with a sense of pride and achievement. Another technique to enhance the manifestation process is to explore a state of mind known as sate sets. Sate sets is a technique that can enhance the manifestation process and help you manifest your desires. Sate sets involves immersing yourself in a state of mind where you experience the emotions, sensations, and energy associated with achieving your desired outcome. To understand Sate sets better, let's imagine that you want to manifest a successful business venture. In this case, you would create a sate set by engaging your senses and emotions to visualize and experience what it would be like to have a thriving business. For example, you could visualize yourself in your ideal office space, feeling the excitement and satisfaction of serving happy customers. You might indulge in the smell of freshly printed documents, the sound of the phone ringing with new opportunities, and the taste of success with every milestone reached. Sate sets can be practiced through various methods, including guided visualizations, affirmations, and sensory exercises. It's important to consistently engage in these practices to reinforce your state of mind and reinforce positive beliefs. Thank you for joining us on this journey of manifesting through positive emotions and affirmations. Before we conclude, let's summarize the key takeaways from today's discussions and leave you with some important reminders. As you move through your daily activities, remember to remain mindful and present. Take a moment to fully engage with each experience and appreciate the beauty and abundance around you. Be open to synchronicities and coincidences that come your way. These may be signs connected to your desires, guiding you towards the path of manifestation. Trust your intuition and inner guidance. When making decisions, align them with your intentions and follow the whispers of your own heart. Your intuition is a powerful compass that will lead you towards your desired outcome. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and techniques. We encourage you to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments section below. We'd love to hear about your experiences with manifesting through positive emotions and affirmations. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay positive, stay manifesting.